What's up, waddlers? Today Dave's finishing the tile of the back of the wood-burning stove, and then tomorrow we should be starting putting down the floors in the whole house. This day could not come soon enough. We are so excited, so stay tuned. So I'm just checking in on Dave, see how he's doing with sanding the floors. I'm not going to stay in here long. As you can see, it's super dusty, but we have to make sure it's all leveled out for when we're going to put down our floors. So he's just checking in on some of the creases of the plywood throughout the house, and then they will get started with laying the actual floor down. So Dave and his brother Gino, with the help of Weston, are starting the flooring in what is our kitchen and dining room area, and then they'll expand out towards our living room, and with that they'll branch off into the bedrooms, and then we also have the half bath that has to get this kind of flooring, but they're making progress, so hopefully in the next day or two they'll be done with the flooring in the whole house, and then we can finally start painting the walls. We're also waiting on our cabinets and our appliances to be shipped from Home Depot to us, so that's why we're probably going to just go straight to painting instead of finishing the kitchen. Alright, so Dave and Gino are now in the twins' room, putting down the flooring. They finished out in the living room and the kitchen, so they're gonna just come into here and do this room, and then do Weston's room, and then they'll end up doing the half bath. Oh, and our bedroom too, because we decided to do the same flooring throughout the whole house, besides our bath, the kids' bath, and the laundry room. It just made the most sense doing it this way, because eventually we want to put hardwood floors throughout the whole house. So we just found a cheap vinyl flooring that we actually really like to do the house until we can afford hardwood.
We have to get a zip line and do a zip line.